Steamed salmon is a light and healthy dish, with the delicate flavor of the fish enhanced by the cooking method that preserves its nutritional properties. Here is the recipe for preparing steamed salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, each about 150 to 200 grams, salt and pepper, lemon juice, herbs of your choice, such as dill or parsley, lemon cut into slices for garnish, steamed vegetables to serve, optional. Start by preheating the steam oven to about 100 degrees Celsius. If you do not have a steam oven, you can use a pot with a steaming basket. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper and a little lemon juice. If you are using herbs, chop them finely and sprinkle them over the fillets. Place the salmon fillets in the steam oven's basket or the appropriate pot. Cook for about 10 to 12 minutes depending on the thickness of the fillets. The salmon is ready when it becomes opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Serve immediately after cooking, garnishing with lemon slices and accompanied by steamed vegetables if desired. Fun fact: salmon is a very versatile fish, and steaming is one of the best ways to enjoy its original flavor without overlapping other tastes. Often in Italy, to further enhance the taste, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil is used to season the fillet once cooked. In some variations, a pinch of freshly grated ginger or grated lemon zest is also added for an extra touch. Remember that the quality of the fish is crucial for a good final result, so always opt for fresh or frozen salmon of good quality. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on new recipes, and visit our website for more tips and trivia.